Hi guys, if you're really looking for a walker that has wheels and is good for people that are in an older age or a parent or a loved one, this Rollator really is going to stand out and going to help them very much. Now to start, all we got to do is start seeing that every piece of it has a letter and a number. This is going to help us know where do these pieces go. I'm going to take the seat of the Rollator and we're just going to plug it in. And that's how you're going to do with the other one. Now for the next part, we're going to put the other two wheels. Now each one comes with a brake, so you can have it on the top of it. I'm going to show you how to put the wheel right underneath. You take this plug in. And we put it in. We got a slide setting. It has a small button. You can see it's going to show to be able to protect it once we put it in. Now that we have our wheels installed, now we're going to put the handles right on the top of it. They can all be adjusted to a specific side that you need by just pushing it with the button. And as simple as that, you can adjust the size of it. Now we want to install the hand grip into the tool. We adjust the tightness, we put it in, and that's it. Now we're gonna be able to put these grab handles so we can help us keep balances. It also comes with a backrest that we can apply there once we sit down and have it on our back to make it easier. To install it, all we're going to put is the bolts inserted right here and we screw it in. It also comes with an umbrella holder, which is a little cup that we just screw it in and just push it down there. It also comes with a cup holder that it can be easy to put sliding in one of the sides of the resting arm. It also comes with this little protector screw so it can protect the weight until the end of the adjusted wheel. Just like that, we screw it in and it helps protect the wheels itself. It also comes with a little back poacher that we can put on the top in here in the front of the walker. Simply insert these holes into these tubes and you'll be ready with the backing. Once inserted, it should look something like this. Overall, this is a great gift for parents or grandparents who want to maintain themselves independent and not able to walk around with the aid of a walker. Thank you guys.